Alright, you are welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's edition, we are going to review to you one of the best and one of the precious sites which can offer you what we call Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is a project that is currently trading in many exchanges and it has a good potential. We believe so much in Shiba Inu. So if you have not earned any Shiba Inu in your wallet or in your exchange account, you are missing a lot. So stick around this particular video to the end and watch it to the very end so that you know what you need to do in order to earn this particular token for free. I repeat, you are going to earn this particular token for free, completely free. So what you need to do in order to earn this particular token is what I'm going to review to you. So if this is your first time that you are coming across this particular channel, do well to subscribe so that each time we update an information like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. So subscribe and turn on the notification bell and share it to your friends and family. So, and as well, check on the description of this video, then you definitely see a link of this particular site. Then you start mining right away. So as you can see, here is the name of the site called Shiba Faucet. Shiba Faucet is a site which can offer you Shiba Inu for free. Remember that Shiba Inu is one of the genuine projects out there. So here are some questions that will be coming across your mind whenever you come across this particular channel, which is what I'm going to review to you. I'm not going to read it all, but you can go ahead and make your research before you engage yourself on this. So as you can see, they said claim your Shiba Inu from the time faucet. That is number one thing, which is what I'm going to show you. And another one, they said Shiba Inu mining. You can start mining by investing, which I'm not going to encourage you to do so. You can invest your money and it will start mining automatically, which is this second one over here. And another one, they said claim unlimited. So unlimited is as well in the site. And also here are some questions that may be coming across your mind, which is what is the maximum withdrawal is being going to be reviewed to you. And another thing, they said how much can I earn in a day. So it's left on you. If you perform the task very well, then you will earn a very high amount of it. And they said there is no limit, you can earn unlimited. So it is unlimited, despite in as much as you are interacting with the site, it is unlimited. And another one, they said, am I allowed to create more than one account? Which is no, you are not allowed. You cannot have multiple accounts on this particular site. So as you can see, the answer has been answered. Another one, they said, can I use VPN, they said, or any other spell or not allow. So you cannot use VPN. Another one, they said, which currency you support by to pay. So they said you can only support currency and Flocky, Inu and more. So that is what you need to understand. So I think they have answered most of your questions that may have been coming across your mind. So now let's log into this particular site. As for me, I have created an account, so I only need to log in. As for you, you click on the sign up button. But as for me, I will click on login button. So for instance, if I click on the sign up button, it means I have to enter my email, my password, my username, and then I'll confirm the captcha. But for now, I have done that already. Only thing I need to do is to click on the login button. So once I click on the login button, I'll enter my email or my username. So for instance, I'll enter my Gmail. Then the next thing is my password, which is what I'm going to input now. So that is, then after that you enter your captcha to show that yes, you are real human. After that, you then arrange this according to the way they present it to you. So you only need to arrange it. Once you arrange it, then the captcha will verify. So just hold on, because I did not get this right. So let's just arrange this to the very end. So once it is being arranged properly, then it's going to be verified. So let's make use of it properly. So let's click on the verify button. So just hold on as this is getting verified. So as you can see, you have confirmed. You click on login button. So here we are. We have logged into the site. As you can see, this is my total balance over here. That's due to I have performed some task. So you too, I'm going to walk you through on how you can perform this task and you earn this particular token and withdraw it instantly. That is the good thing about it. In as much as you get the withdrawal limit, then you can withdraw it instantly. So the very first thing you need to take note of is there's a lot of tasks you need to perform in this particular site in order to earn this particular token. So which is what I'm going to review to you right now. So you click on this three line button. Once you click on three line button, another place will be present to you. So what do you need to do in this particular place and what do you need to understand? As you can see, you can deposit, just as I told you. If you deposit, it will start reading automatically. It will start mining on its own automatically. You don't need to perform tasks before you earn it once you deposit. So, and another thing he said, withdraw. As you can see, I'm going to walk you through on withdrawal when time reach. So as you can see, if you click on the withdrawal button, you can only withdraw this particular token to your C wallet or Binance account. So you can only withdraw to your C wallet or Binance account. As you can see, for you to withdraw, you have to have at least 186 million. And if you want to withdraw to the Binance, you have to have 186 million as well. So it means the number has increases. So, and for you to withdraw, you only need your Gmail for you to withdraw. So you only need your Gmail for you to withdraw this particular token. So this is offline transaction. It's called offline transaction, which means you don't need to add your contract address in as much as you use your Gmail that you use register to the site, either C wallet or Binance account. That is the Gmail that you're going to input on this particular column over here. This is where you need to put the Gmail. So after that, you click on the anyone that you wish to withdraw it to. If you click on it here, you are withdrawing to C wallet, but if you click on this one, you are withdrawing to Binance. So that is how withdrawal works. So I'm going to walk you through that after performing this task. So, and another thing you need to understand is daily consumption. Daily consumption is where they present to you a few number of alphabets. Then you input it here. Once you click on it, you go and check on the Telegram, which is what I'm going to review to you. You check on Telegram, then that's daily code that they will present to you. You will input it here. For instance, today's one, I have performed today's one, and today's one was ROOTOO. So ROO, let me take it again, and it have to be in the capital letter ROO. It have to be in the capital letter. So just hold on as I walk you through it. So just hold on as I walk you through it. So just exactly like this. As for me, I have performed the task and they have given me my reward of today. Just hold on as the task is being performed. So as you can see, you are going to arrange this according to the way it's supposed to be. So that is how you are going to arrange it. Just arrange it. So you click on verify. So just hold on. So the verification is ongoing. Just hold on. So as you can see, it has been verified. So you can see what they have to tell me. They said you have already redeemed this particular option. So I don't need to perform the task again. So do well to go and check on the Telegram. This is the Telegram. You click on it, then you go ahead and get the code and paste it here. So another thing you need to understand is this faucet. Faucet is a place where they give you a chance after 5 seconds or after 1 minute for you to earn 1 million coins, which remember that you are earning points and your point is going to convert to coin, which is token. So it's going to convert to Shiba Inu. So you click on this. Once you click on it, just hold on. The captcha will come, which shows that you're a human. So just hold on. You're going to arrange this. So this is the car, of course. You're going to arrange it this way. then you now make it to be a car the way it is. So you just hold on, just hold on, and after that, after it's been verified, say as you can see it have got verified. You click on claim now. So once you click on claim now, as you can see, a good job is being added to this particular balance over here. So and after that you click on OK. So as you can see, it starts reading again. After this particular 1 minute has ended, then it will be present to you once again. And another thing you need to understand is unlimited faucet. Unlimited faucet is a place that you keep claiming constantly, keep claiming. So constantly. So you click on this. Once you click on it, then it's going to take you to the captcha. And remember that this particular one has two captcha which you need to perform. As you can see, if you watch over here, it said what they wrote here is what you need to take note of. They wrote dog, cat, and monkey. You come down here, you said dog, cat, and monkey. So you click on this, then captcha will come. After that, you arrange this, then you now arrange this in the proper order. Then you click on verify. Once you click on verify, then it's going to be verified. Just hold on. So it have already been verified. You click on claim. Once you click on claim, then it has been written. Good job. You have earned 150k worth of Shiba Inu points. So that is how to perform those tasks. You will repeat it again. So after that, for this video not to be too long, we're not going to repeat it again. So another thing you need to understand is the short link. Short link is a place where you see here is the total number of coin you're going to earn, and you have a 56 number of short link that you're going to perform, which is what is available, and this is the total number that is going to give you. And remember that it will expire by visiting 5 times. So for instance, if you click on this, you're going to perform it 5 times and you're going to earn 80 million by 1, and you are going to have extra 50,000 as bonus. So that is how you need to do. I'm not going to take you how we can work on short link. Short link is a place where you watch an advertisement for 10 minutes or 30 minutes or even 15 minutes. Then you perform it that way until you get to 5 times before you can be able to withdraw it. It will be added to your balance. So another thing you need to understand is this iframe ad. Here is a way you watch an advertisement, which is what I'm going to show you. Then you click on this. If you watch this advertisement, you are going to earn 1,250,000, 1,250,000, and it's going to last for 7 seconds. So let's click on it. Then just hold on for this advertisement to come to an end. As you can see, advertisement is ongoing. Just hold on. So after that, you click on the captcha. Captcha will come. So you click on the captcha. After you click on the captcha, just hold on. So just hold on. Captcha is on the way. Just hold on. There is going to present to you a captcha. So captcha have been presented. So only thing you need to do is to arrange this in a proper order. So you arrange this for it to be the way it's supposed to be. As you can see, it has been arranged. So you click on the verify. So just hold on. It's going to get verified. So just hold on. It's going to be verified. So it has been verified. You click on verify button over here. You can easily go back because it has an advertisement. So as you can see, good job, you have done that. That has been done. The task has been performed and you have gotten 1,250,000 coins. So you click on OK. Then you can go ahead and perform the second one. Just hold on for 6 seconds. So this is advertisement. Just hold on. So for 6 seconds. So you click on this. Once you click on it, it's going to be verified. So just hold on. So it's going to be verified. So it's already been verified. It's already presented. This is going to arrange this way. You're going to arrange it the way it's supposed to be. So after you have done that, then you now click on the verify button. So click on the verify button. So they ask you to try again. They had not get it correctly. So they're going to present another one to you. So you can go into arrange this and arrange this correctly. After that, click on verify. So after you click on the verify, it's going to go to verify. So you click on the verify once again. This is advertisement. You can easily go back. As you can see, good job. So that is how to perform the task. So as you can see, what else I need to show you is this particular video ad. Video ad is a place where you watch an advertisement on Telegram. So you just hold on, you click on it. That is how video ad works. So video ad has been added, has been completed. So you just hold on, then you will now arrange this in a proper order. So arrange it. Once you arrange it, you click on this. So it's going to get verify. So after that, you click on verify. So good job, you have earned it. So that is how to perform the task. Now let's click on the withdraw button. For this video not to be too long, let's call it for a day. So let's click on the withdraw button. You are going to withdraw to faucet. Then after that, you click on the capture. Let's see whether we can withdraw this particular token successfully, because we have been working towards this. So let's check whether we can withdraw it successfully. So click on the withdraw button. Wow, congratulations, we have withdrawn to our faucet pay wallet, our C wallet So as you can see, 22 million has been added to our faucet pay. So congrats. So click on this, okay. Then let's head straight to our C wallet. So here we are on our C wallet. So let's check the balance that we withdraw now, the token that we withdraw now. So let's check on it. So let's click on this wallet section. Let's click on the wallet section. Let's refresh. This is Shiba Inu. Currently we are having, let's click on the Shiba Inu. As you can see, this is one that we currently withdraw right now. So 224.6225. So let's click on it. So as you can see, this transaction has been delivered. So that is how you can work on this particular site, and you keep earning the token as much as you perform the task correctly. So that is how to go about it. So let's go back. So as you can see, that is how to work on this particular site, and that is how you can earn from this particular site in very handsomely and very easy. So that is how you can earn your Shiba Inu for free. As you can see, the balance is now 0. So if you perform once again, for instance, if you perform this one that is very easy, if you perform this once again, just click on it, just hold on. Just hold on, it's coming, because the network is very bad. So just hold on. So you are going to arrange this accordingly. So after that, click on the verify. So just hold on. So it has been verified, and you have earned 1 million copies of coins again. So let's call it for a day. If this is your first time of coming across this particular channel, do wait to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so that each time we update an information like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. So have a nice day and be blessed. Bye.